Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the brake pads and the discs on this Nissan Qashqai 2017 model. So just going to crack on with it. Right, is 17mm socket to undo the nuts. Right, just going to use a 14mm socket to undo the bolt here and one here. Okay, so two bolts to remove to release the caliper. Okay, that's top one. Now we're going to do the bottom one. There we go. That's the two bolts removed. There we go. That's the caliper out of the way. Okay, so that's the outer one. That's the inner one. Alright, before I undo this clamp here, the caliper holding clamp, I'm gonna pull these guide pins out. Okay, both of them. There we go. That's the both pins out of the way. So we're gonna be using a 19mm socket and a breaker's bar to remove these two bolts. The one here and then one here. Okay. Undo the bottom one now. There we go. That's the caliper clamp out of the way. So now we need to undo this bolt here. Okay, it's a Torx bolt. By undoing this bolt here, the whole disc gonna come off. Right, there we go, friends. I've used the T30 key to remove this bolt here. There you go. That's the old disc out of the way. There we go, that's our new disc, like for like. That's good enough. Right. I'm just going to wind the piston back now. Right, before I wind the piston back, I'm just gonna undo the brake fluid reservoir cap so that the pressure doesn't build up when I push the piston back. That's the caliper piston all the way back. Just gonna secure the caliper bracket. There we go, that's that done nicely. Just gonna grease the guide pins. That's that done. That's the top one in place. That's the bottom pin. Just here. Just gonna remove the excess grease off. Right, these are the brake pads. There we go. There we go. That's how they slide in. That's the outer one. And the inner one goes here. There we go. That's the new pads in place. Just gonna fit the caliper now. Just like that. Just gonna secure the top bolt first. And then the bottom one goes here. $14mm socket to be used on it. That's good enough. There we go. That's the that's the top guide pin, and the bottom guide pin fully secured. So top one and the bottom one just they are fully secured now. So now I'm gonna give it a good clean with the spirit wipe, so that there isn't any grease or any residue on this new brake disc. When they are made, they are protected with wax. So that's what I'm doing now, just removing all the wax off the disc. I did clean the other side before putting the disc back on, so it's just the outer wall needs cleaning. Okay, so now we're gonna put the wheel back on. go friends, thank you very much for watching the video.